Hey YouTube, Scott Off-Road. We're still in the garage. We're working on the next project. We got the flat fenders in. So, not really an install video, just to watch and see how I do it. First thing we're doing is taking the fender flares off. Already got most of the screws out. This off, but maybe do that fast forward. I think it's a little late to change my mind now. I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to cut this section out. I want to test fit it first. So, here we go. Cut this a little tighter here and trim this down. I kind of figured that. One thing I'm noticing, no hardware in the kit. The real issue I have with this has gone together pretty darn quick. The shipping was amazing. This is just a inexpensive Amazon fender. I guess where I'm going to have a little issue with this is the box came really pretty damaged, and I'm missing the 2, 3, 4, 5 button head screws that go along the top of the fender that are supposed to come with it. Now, normally I wouldn't gripe about that, but I ordered 2 sets of fenders. I ordered just a flat set without the fender, without the extension on it, and it just arrived. I ordered it like 4 days before I ordered this set. They both arrived the same day, and the other box is immaculate. There's nothing wrong with it. So I'm going to end up returning it because I don't need them, but it is kind of heartbreaking that you spend this kind of money and it comes all foobarred out. These last 3 bolts are going to suck. There are 4 bolts on the firewall. That's to be expected. But I'll pause this while or I'll just kind of keep going for a little bit and I'll show you what it looks like.